Hey y'all, welcome back to Road RV Ventures. I've got my water, yeast, and sugar in here. It has bubbled up a ton, so that's ready to go in. I'm gonna add a third a cup of oil. We don't have a ton of olive oil right now, so I'm gonna use vegetable, is what it is. We're gonna go in with that oil, not much of it, third cup. I'm gonna pour it into the yeast mixture, get 2 eggs. We're gonna add bread flour now. I've got it in my big old 5-gallon bucket. I need about 7.5 cups. We're gonna use a half scoop. Gonna be here a minute, y'all. I need 15. I think I was supposed to half this, but it's okay. $7 cups and a half cup. And I think I'm gonna take out a half. Now we need a third cup of instant mashed potatoes. I need to mix this up. Oh boy. We're gonna just go with this mess. It's gonna start thickening up for the potato. Okay, slowly pour it in. Not really slow. And I forgot the salt, but we can add that. We'll get all that off. Yeasty. All right, need a tablespoon of salt. Let's do it. All right, y'all. That's a lot. 7 cups of flour in here because I've got the half over here. Hook it, raise it, and I'll scrape that and we'll get going. I need to knead it for about 6 minutes, and I don't think the stand mixer should do that, so I'm gonna knead it. I've been kneading this for quite a while. I went to hand kneading. This is that half a cup. We maybe used half of it, not even. It looks really good. It wants me to rest it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let it rest for 10 minutes and we're gonna cut it into 8 pieces and let it rise. Very yeasty. Super soft dough. Alright y'all, this has rested for a hair over 10 minutes, but this is really warm because I had the oven on baking something else. We're going to cut this into 4 and then 2, so 8 pieces total. That's what it said. Now what I should do is just weigh this out. Hillary Duff, why not? We don't have a proper bread pan, y'all, so we got to make one. We're going to log these up. Hopefully I don't pop them too bad. They'll be able to rise proper. Alright y'all, I've just rolled up some tin foil. I'm gonna have to do like 10 rounds of baking. Carefully set these on here. And they're sticking. Hopefully this goes well. We'll see what happens. Now we need oregano, garlic powder, parsley, and parm. I need 2 tablespoons of parm. This is the jar stuff. My jar wouldn't stay shut. 2 tablespoons of garlic. 1. Oh boy. Tablespoon of parsley, running me out of my seasonings. And a tablespoon of oregano. Now I'm supposed to spray it and dunk it. We're not dunking it, y'all, because I'm not handling these again. We're gonna do a sprinkle. These have definitely gotten huge. Season them. We're gonna throw them in. I only have cheddar. That's what we're putting on. Sharp ched. This should be good, y'all. Look at this. My husband says it smells like the Subway one. Smells pretty good. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all, going in. 375, about 18 to 20 minutes or so. I gotta be careful. Alright, they've been in here about 23 minutes or so. Let's check them out. Holy cannolis, that's hot. Tempo ain't supposed to be too hot, but this is kind of hot. Look at that, y'all. Hey y'all, here they are. Here are the Italian herb and cheese. They turned out pretty delicious. They look and smell similar. Could use a little more improvements, but they turned out pretty good. I think I added a little too much flour. Should have left it on the drier side. And the recipe says wait till it triples in size. I wouldn't do that. Just like the comments say, when it doubles, get her in there or else you're gonna overproof her. Anyway, here you have it, y'all. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this video and recipe, and if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I appreciate y'all and hope you have a fabulous day. Peace out.